We are here at the Teppanyaki restaurant at the Hyatt Regency Tokyo, and we're gonna be trying some Kobe beef steak. I got the sirloin and Sean got the filet, plus he got some prawns and scallops as well. We got this room all to ourselves here. Our chef should be coming soon to start cooking our food. All right, can't wait for this meal. Trying veggies here. That's so good. Wow. These are really good. Try the sirloin first. A little soy sauce, a little salt. Here we go. Oh, it's so tender. Let's check this out. Filet, Kobe beef filet. Wow, that's soft.
So much better, huh?
That was better.
That's the Japanese version. That's good. That was really good.
Wow.
Amazing. So if you get Kobe beef, get the fillet. That's it, right?
Filet.
So we get Kobe beef.
Yeah.
Make sure to get the fillet.
That is so soft.
Yeah.
It's almost not meat-like.
Yeah, it's so not tender. It's so soft. So like almost melts in your mouth. But that's
Wow.
so good.
Wow. That's crazy. Mine's good too. It's a little more chewy. Right? Yours just kind of dissolves.
Mm-hmm.
This one, the outer edges, you got to chew it. Okay, we got the fried rice here. Let's give this a try. That was good. That is some good fried rice. Thanks again to the Hyatt Regency Tokyo for hosting our stay here for our last night in Japan, and for this amazing teppanyaki dinner, Kobe beef sirloin and Kobe beef filet with all the sides, veggies, fried rice, drinks. Oh, it's just so good. I'd say our fanciest meal of the trip, and probably our best tasting meal of the trip, I think.
One of those.
Yeah, one of the top one of the highlights of our trip. So great way to end our 22 nights here in Tokyo. But thanks again, Hyatt Regency.
So this is the lovely dessert they have provided for us. Super yummy looking. I can't wait to try it. But what's really cool was this little cute coffee. Look at that little thing. Isn't that adorable? Or as we say here in Japan, kawaii.
Some fruits. Not sure what this is. It's like a little tomato. Tastes like an orange. And some white chocolate mousse. Wow. The mousse is good. And I think either grapefruit or watermelon. Grapefruit.